Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to change app icons on iOS. For this video, I am going to change the X app icon. First, tap on your screen and pull it down. On the search bar here, search for shortcuts and open it. Then tap on the plus icon here. Tap on open app. Now tap on app and search the desired app which you want to edit. Then tap on this icon here and tap on Add to Home Screen. Then tap here on Image and then tap on Choose Photo. Choose the image that you want. For example, I am choosing this. From here, you can even rename the app and then tap on Add. And now you have successfully changed the app icon on iOS. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.